Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fidelity account to link bank and deposit funds step by step clearly. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to set up, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment details and financial situation as prompted. Create a username and password for your account. Review the terms and conditions and check the necessary boxes to agree. Click the Continue button to proceed with your application. Verify your identity by answering security questions or providing additional information. Once your account is created, log into your new Fidelity account using your username and password. Navigate to the Transfer Funds or Link Bank Accounts section in your account dashboard. Select the option to link your bank account. Enter your bank information, including your account number and routing number. Choose the method of verification, such as microdeposits or instant verification. If selecting microdeposits, check your bank account for 2 small deposits made by Fidelity. Once you see these deposits, return to Fidelity and confirm the amounts. If you chose instant verification, follow the prompts to log into your bank account securely. After verification, your bank account will be linked to your Fidelity account. Now, navigate to the Deposit Funds section. Select your linked bank account as the source of funds. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into your Fidelity account. Review the details of your deposit and confirm the transaction. Once processed, funds will typically be available for trading within a few days. Check your account balance to ensure the deposit has been completed successfully. You are now ready to start investing with your Fidelity account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.